Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to enable installation from the unknown sources on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the apps and notifications section, go to the advanced, special app access, install unknown apps. Here you can see the whole list of apps through which you can install unknown apps, for example for Google Chrome. So you just enable allow from this source, and now you can install unknown apps through the Google Chrome as much as you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.